Do your fur babies always scratch? Do they always chew on their paws? Maybe they're always scratching on their fur. Or that could be a sign that you need to get them some vitamins. And this right here, the Petco Allergy and Immune Probiotic Chews is what I recommend. This guy's right here has helped Bella so much. All right, she tends to have that allergy. She's always scratching herself around this area. But ever since I've been giving her these pet chews, all right, these are freaking phenomenal. I recommend them. I'll put the link down there for you. But this is going to help, again, making sure that they have some nice, healthy vitamins to make sure that their hair, their fur, and everything on their body stays nice and trimmed up. As you can see, it also helps with making sure that that coat comes out nice and clean. So again, if you guys want to grab it up, again, the links will be at the bottom. Let me know if you have any questions.